Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add the transparency tool multiple times to an object in Affinity Designer. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to create complex gradient effects or achieve more dynamic layering in your designs. Let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens up, you'll need to open your existing file or create a new one to work with. Now, let's add an object to work with. In the left sidebar, click on the rectangle tool or select your preferred shape. This is where you'll be applying the transparency effect, so choose whatever shape fits your project best. Once you've selected your tool, drag it onto your canvas to create the shape. With your shape in place, it's time to add some color to it. In the right panel, navigate to the color section and select your preferred color using the color picker. This gives your object a base color that the transparency will interact with, creating that gradient effect we're aiming for. Here's where the magic happens. In the left sidebar, click on the Fill tool, then select the Transparency tool from the options. This tool is essential for creating those smooth fade effects that make your design more visually interesting. Now make a line across your rectangle. You could make a straight line, a slant line, or any direction that fits your creative vision. The direction and angle of this line determine how the transparency gradient flows across your object. This is your first transparency application. To add the transparency tool multiple times, head to the upper left toolbar and navigate to Type. Click the drop-down menu beside it to select your preferred option. This is where you can experiment with different blending modes and transparency settings. Feel free to explore the various options available here, as each one will give you a different effect when layered together. The beauty of this technique is that you can repeat the transparency application as many times as you need. Each time you apply it, you're building up layers of transparency that interact with each other, creating depth and complexity in your design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add the transparency tool multiple times to an object in Affinity Designer, giving you far more creative control over your gradient effects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.